Happy birthday, Evan!
This is yours.
You forgot to set it up.
They should have extended it then. They forgot your birthday. Kiss tita. Kiss tita. Kiss tita. Say, how old are you now, Evan? Ha? 4. Come here, sit down with tita. Hey, come here, sit down. Oh, it's not set up. They forgot. Yeah. Hi, Evie. Liam. Did you like the cake? Do you like your cake, Evan? Huh? You like it? But how come there's no Iron Man? How come there's no Iron Man? Huh? Does it work? Yeah. Did you sleep? What's wrong with you, Liam?
You're gonna win already.
What are you doing? Huh? This table. You know how many kids? I don't know. You have to ask that guy. He's the father. This one. What happened, Kuya? You want to take it off? You want to play, Evan? How come you're not playing? And your hair is not styled.
Anyone? I said you maybe. Just wait, just
Is
wait.
that for you? Is that for you? Hi, Evie. What's wrong? Birthday. Pogi naman. Oh, color. Where's your color? Your color. Oh, here's your color. Are you sleepy? Is it your birthday? How old are you now? Huh? How old? 4? Are you sure? Is it today your birthday or on April 3? Can I open your gift? Here. How about this one? Put this on your other arm. Okay, you're all set. Where's your mask? Did you put everything back in the box?
Show daddy your iron.
Where's the thing, like this one? Inside? Well, no, where's the... Come here! Hi, Evie! Where's Evan? Where's Evan? Evan!
What's your name again?
Come in here! Evie, come here! Mommy there! Mommy there! Go up there. You have to go up on this way. Okay, go. Climb up. You have to climb up. Yeah, you want to go up? Evie, you want to go up? Eva, Evan! Evan! Dito ka naman Ay, Tristan, si nanay mo. Nanay, ano, what's the name of nanay?
Atitan.
No, yung nanay na Ate Tal, ano, what's her name?
Mami Lerma.
Lerma.
Okay, sige.
Blue part na kakainin ko.
Kuya!
Look at this.
Ano yung mga bata?
Kids! Ba ito? Dapat not ice cream cake si ano, Evan.
Ano sa mga Tagalog ko?
Sarap yung ice cream cake.
Dahil pa ng mga bata. Alis ka dyan. But it's gonna melt.
Get up there. Get out.
Gusto daw niya ng ice cream cake.
Ay, balik.
Dito sa Ay, niyawa mo lang siya.
Dito, dito. Kuya, dito.
Kuya, what's that, kuya?
Birthday!
Dito sa kabila.
On that side.
Hold the chair.
Ayun, dito yung background.
Ayun na, paano nakahanap yung mga tao? Oh, Riley, Evans, dito ba rin?
Yung mga bata. O, yun na. Evan, sit down, Evan.
Wait.
Yeah, do you want like a sandwich? Where's Megan and Ariel?
Ano na?
Call Megan. Lendra! Where's your wife?
Mami, Rhea.
And who else wanted to order?
Ronnie. Ronnie! He's over there.
Megan! Cupcakes sa lalim. Come on.
Ha?
Cupcakes sa lalim.
Hindi, cake lang. Picture lang.
Megan! Wow! Look at that cake! Evan, look. Ay, one more. Oh.
Riley, how's the Riley? Hold Evan. What? Hold Evan, just stay.
Liam, come here.
Ikaw magano ha? Okay.
Liam, come back
Who's right?
Stand up.
Run.
What's going on? Dahil mo nga ito mga
Kuya, who's this? Who's this? You like Spider-Man? Careful, man.
Stand up here.
Okay na dyan.
Maganda dyan para kasama ng mga bata.
That is hot when there's fire in there. That is hot.
You sing loud or else you won't get cake.
HB. Get it.
Sing. Sing, Evan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Evan. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow. Yay! Evan! You want Spider-Man? You want Spider-Man?
I'll give it to you.
Just wait, no, Kurt. Oh, no. Yay! Oh, put it back. Let's put it back. Oh, no. Mama, who wants cake? Mama, kunin nyo na siya. Okay, come on. Mama, sabi mo to, alat yung laro.
No? How come? Where's Liam?
Mom, she's rubbing the ice. Icing on it.
Are you happy for your birthday, Evan?
Yeah, you get to get free food.
Free what? Evan, are you happy? Evan, happy birthday, Evan. Can we take a picture, Evan?
Try it right. This last one, one fries, so I took it apart and used some chicken.
Evan, say why, Kuya?
Batteries are too mainstream. How about that? No, batteries are too mainstream. No!